Alright guys, today we're going to be taking a look at all the mods that I have done on this 2018 Moto Guzzi V7 Carbon Dark. Let's dive right in with a closer look at the bike. The 2018 Moto Guzzi V7 Carbon Dark is a limited edition bike that is aggressively beautiful right out of the crate. It's a sleek, mid-sized, well-balanced motorcycle that anyone can hop on and enjoy, but there are some customizations that make the bike more complete, in my opinion. Let's take a look at what I've done to the bike to make it look better, sound better, and perform better. Alright, first up we have the Dart Classic Flyscreen Moto in black. The Dart Flyscreen offers a blend of minimalist style and exceptional performance. Inspired by 1950s British road racers, the classic Flyscreen is constructed from high-impact automotive-grade polycarbonate and features an anti-scratch coating. And I think it makes the bike look dangerous while adding a little bit of wind protection. An essential mod for sure. Next up we have a dual motorcycle camera that records video every time you ride. This is great in case of accidents, if you need evidence, or just any time you want to record something that you thought was interesting to capture. It has both front and rear protection. This one has faded over time from black to brown, so I have a better black option on my Amazon storefront, and the link to that is in the description below. Next up we have the red OEM springs, which I find to be absolutely essential with this motorcycle. They're about $100. They're purely cosmetic, but necessary to balance out the red accents of the bike. As you can see, the rear side doesn't have very much red on it. You've got those cylinder head covers in that beautiful red, and there's not too much on the back of the bike. These springs really balance that out and make the bike more beautiful. Okay, now we have the best $1,000 you can spend for this motorcycle, the Agostini carbon fiber exhaust. I have a full review for this in the description below. If you don't have this exhaust, you need to see this video. The exhaust is shorter than the super long ones that came with the bike, less weight, more power, and they look and sound incredible. This brings me to my next mod, which you can't see, but I've tuned this motorcycle with a V7 tuning device to fully take advantage of this exhaust. The device cost about $500 US. Here's what the ECU tuner looks like for this bike. You buy this for $500. It has the up map included. You connect it and it tunes the bike. You can do this on your own. And I am making a how-to video on tuning this bike soon, so keep it locked into Rated R Cars. Along with the exhaust and tune, we have an evap can delete, as well as an SAS block-off kit installed. If you've modified and tuned the bike and would like to help the fueling and closed throttle deceleration popping, this kit comes with 2 anodized CNC block-off plates and a pump eliminator plug, as well as a rubber airbox cap, which will allow you to remove the air pump, lines, and exhaust port air feed system from your bike, thus in general providing a smoother, better sounding, better feeling experience. Next up we have Rizoma Spy R Mirrors in black. These Italian finely crafted billet aluminum mirrors are a vast improvement over the intrusive stock ones. You are sacrificing some rearward visibility, but they work well if positioned correctly. And always be sure to check over your shoulder either way every time you change lanes. You'll need some of these CNC Italy mirror hole plugs, which fill the OEM mirror holes and add a nice little touch of red or black if you prefer. Again, Italian crafted aluminum at its finest. Here we have the Universal Sportline billet aluminum grips by Rizoma. $65 US well spent, a bargain for sure. They are sleek and beautiful, and an essential mod. We did an LED bulb install. It's super bright. Alright guys, so let me know what you think of these mods. I think they really complete the bike. Makes an already sexy bike look even sexier. Until next time, always remember the motto, always be kinder than necessary, and I'll see you in the next one.